Hello, my friends. In this lesson, we will learn about the advanced privacy feature for chats. This feature enhances the privacy of chats on the other end. So before we move on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with your friends and family. This method works on both iPhones and Android phones, making it suitable for most smartphones. This feature also works on the regular WhatsApp app as well as WhatsApp Business. For example, I will select this person, tap on them, and then tap here. After that, scroll down a little until you find the option labeled Advanced Chat Privacy. And if your phone is in another language, remember the icons and locations you need to go to. So what I do is I simply tap right here on this button, and then as you can see, this interface will appear on the screen. At this point, you can take a look and check out this article for more information if you are interested. As you can see here at the bottom, they will not be able to automatically save media to their device's photo gallery. For example, when I send a photo, a video, or even just a chat message to this person, they will not be able to save this media file on their phone. Additionally, they also won't be able to use AI features such as tagging or anything else. And here in this situation, they won't be able to transfer the chat. So I think these features are really great, and I personally use them myself. So I simply click on this location labeled as Advanced Privacy Settings. And from now on, whenever I send a chat message, a photo, a video, or anything else to this person, none of the things I mentioned earlier will be saved or stored on my phone. If you've made it to this point, don't forget to check out this playlist. The playlist contains some WhatsApp tutorials where you'll find important guides that you'll like and benefit from. Goodbye, my friends.